Okay. Hey guys, I'm Yuta. This is Nihongo Learning. In this lesson, let's learn how to use ka. This one. How to use ka. Ka is a particle to make a, which is used to make a question in Japanese. So yes, let's practice it. For example, there's a sentence like this. 美味しいです. 美味しいです. After you eat something, you can say 美味しいです. This means it's delicious. It's delicious. 美味しいです. And then if you want to make this sentence a question, if you want to change this sentence a question, you can say 美味しいですか? 美味しいですか? What you have to do is just adding ka at the last part of the sentence. And then this means, is it delicious? Is it delicious? And then this sentence doesn't have any word like when, where, which one, blah, blah, something like that, or how, something like that. So this means that this question is a yes-no question. Yes-no question. So if someone asks you, if someone asks you, 美味しいですか? You can answer it, はい or いいえ. Yes, no, はい、いいえ. Okay? So, か is when you want to make a question, what you have to do is adding か at the last part of the sentence, and then you can make a question. Okay? か. はい. Okay, but in daily conversation or in a casual conversation, sometimes we don't use か. We just say, for example, おいしい, おいしい. Like this is casual way without saying か, but it makes, this is a question. What you have to do is just using the intonation, like おいしい, then you can make a question. Okay? But grammatically, we have to use か. Okay? We have to use か. But without saying か, we can make a question like by using the intonation. Okay? Okay, thank you for watching this video. In this channel, Nihongo Learning, I'm uploading Japanese classes videos. So if you are learning Japanese, please subscribe to my channel and let's enjoy learning Japanese together. Okay, thank you. Bye.